You spent $3,000 to make your car look amazing. The wrap shop promised it would last 7 to 10 years, but 3 years later, your car looks like crap. So what went wrong? Did you get scammed? Did you choose the wrong brand? Or is there something the wrap industry doesn't want you to know? Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of vinyl car wraps. We'll reveal which brands actually last the longest, what environmental conditions destroy wraps fastest, and most importantly, what really happens when vinyl fails and whether it'll damage your car's paint. Because the truth about vinyl wrap durability might surprise you. The brand wars. Who really wins? Let's start with the elephant in the room. Brand claims versus reality. 3M claims their vinyl lasts 8 years. Avery, and Oracal both claim 10 years. But here's what the industry insiders actually say. According to professional installers, I wouldn't be telling my customer their wrap will last that long. The average life expectancy for these vinyls is under absolutely perfect conditions, which a wrapped vehicle will never be. I don't do wraps myself, but I believe the industry standard warranty is 1 year, 2 years tops. Wait, what? The industry standard warranty is only 1 to 2 years, but manufacturers claim 8 to 10? This is your first clue that something doesn't add up. 3M, the industry gold standard. 3M is synonymous with quality and innovation in the vinyl wrap industry. With decades of experience and a sterling reputation, 3M offers a wide range of vinyl films known for their durability, reliability, and performance. But here's the catch. 3M is also the most expensive and the hardest to get warranty claims approved. Avery, the easy install champion. Professional installers love Avery because it's much easier to work with, much less initial tack, and easy to snap back. But there's a trade-off. While Avery may be the easiest to install, they seem to have the shortest lifespan. Oracal, the underdog value pick. One installer with 6-year-old wraps still in perfect condition swears by Oracal. I have wraps that are 6 years and flawless with zero fading. Oracal consistently gets praised for color retention and value, but it requires more skill to install. Here's the dirty secret. The success of any wrap depends massively on the printer used, ink used, post-production off-gassing, installation, and customer care. The vinyl brand is just one piece of the puzzle. The environmental reality check. Now, let's talk about what really kills vinyl wraps. The environment. The sun, public enemy number one. UV radiation doesn't just fade your wrap, it literally breaks down the molecular structure of the vinyl. UV rays tend to affect regions with intense sun exposure more severely and can cause photo degradation that breaks down adhesive. In worst case scenarios, red and blue wraps can go to pink and powder puff blue in 3 months with constant sun exposure. At best, the same colors might take 5 years to show similar fading. Temperature extremes, the silent killers. High-quality vinyl wraps can handle temperatures as low as negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 180 degrees Fahrenheit without peeling or cracking. But here's what manufacturers don't tell you about temperature cycling. When your car bakes in the sun all day, then cools at night, the vinyl expands and contracts. Do this thousands of times, and even the best vinyl starts to fail. Temperature extremes can lead to shrinking or expansion, damaging the wrap. High humidity can cause moisture to become trapped between the vinyl wrap and the vehicle's surface, leading to bubbles or blisters under the wrap. This is especially problematic in places like Florida, where high humidity levels in the state can cause moisture to get trapped under the vinyl, leading to mold or mildew growth and bubbles or peeling of the vinyl. The geographic reality. Your location matters more than brand choice. Vehicles in urban environments face pollution and industrial chemicals, which can accelerate the degradation of the vinyl. Conversely, cars in rural areas might contend with more dirt and dust, which can scratch and wear down the wrap. Road salt is particularly brutal. It acts like tiny bristles, abrading and wearing down the vinyl during winter driving. Does color really matter? Here's something that might surprise you. The color and finish of your wrap dramatically affects how long it lasts. Dark colors, beautiful but doomed. Prolonged exposure can cause your car to degrade, causing them to fade over time. This is especially truer for darker colors, which can turn lighter and lose their depth and richness. Dark colors absorb more heat, which accelerates breakdown. That deep black or navy blue that looks so sleek will show fading faster than light colors. Chrome and metallics, the high-maintenance divas. Chrome wraps are more susceptible to UV damage than satin, matte, or gloss wraps. That mirror finish chrome wrap might look amazing, but it's also the most likely to fail prematurely. Gloss versus matte, the durability trade-off. Gloss wraps tend to hide minor imperfections better than other finishes and generally wear less obviously than matte finishes. Matte wraps show every scratch, swirl mark, and bit of contamination. The brutal truth is that Instagram-worthy matte black or that chrome finish you want is also the one that's going to most likely look terrible in 2 years. The warning signs, recognizing failure. So how do you know when your wrap is failing? Let's walk through the warning signs from subtle to catastrophic. Stage 1, the subtle signs. Color fading and discoloration. One of the most straightforward signs that your vinyl wrap is past its prime is fading or noticeable discoloration. Over time, as the sun's UV rays and environmental elements take their toll, that once vibrant color can start to fade. This usually starts on horizontal surfaces first. Your hood, your roof will fade before your doors and your side panels. Lots of gloss. The vinyl may lose its sheen and look dull or discolored even before color fading becomes obvious. Stage 2, structural failure begins. Edge lifting and peeling. You might notice this along the edges and contours, especially in areas that experience more wear and tear. The appearance of peeling or lifting signifies that the adhesive bond is weakened or failed. Bubbling and blistering are caused by trapped air or moisture under the wrap. This can happen if the wrap was not properly installed or if there are hidden issues underneath. Stage 3, catastrophic failure. Cracking, brittleness. As the vinyl wrap gets older, it becomes more prone to cracking and becoming brittle. This can lead to further damage and make it difficult to maintain a seamless appearance. If your vinyl is showing signs of cracking or peeling, please replace it as soon as possible because once it gets to this stage, removal becomes much more difficult and expensive. And there is a point of no return. When vinyl reaches this stage, vinyl becomes brittle over time, so eliminating 10-year adhesion will be challenging, and the removal process can damage your car's paint. The real lifespan industry reality. So what's the real lifespan of a vinyl wrap? Let's cut through the marketing and look at the actual data. The honest numbers. The average lifespan for vinyl wrap is 3 to 5 years under normal conditions. Premium brands like Avery can last up to 12 years with proper care and maintenance, but that's under ideal conditions. The fine print. Remember, those manufacturer warranties are under absolute perfect conditions, which a wrap vehicle will never really be. Perfect conditions mean garage kept 24/7, regular professional cleaning, never driven in salt or harsher weather, minimal UV exposure. Regional reality check. In harsh climates like Florida, Arizona, or northern salt belt states, you're looking at the lower end of the range. In Florida's climate, UV radiation from the sun can cause the vinyl to fade and degrade over time, while high temperatures can cause the adhesive that holds the wrap in place to soften and weaken. The maintenance factor. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and protecting the wrap from excessive sun exposure, plays a crucial role in maximizing its lifespan. Cars that are properly maintained can hit that 5 to 7 year mark. Cars that are neglected might start showing problems in 18 to 24 months. Industry professional advice. Professionals recommend examining your vehicle wraps every 3 years for replacement needs. Horizontal surfaces, perforated vinyl, and cut lettering will begin to show wear and tear first. When wraps fail, the damage question. Now for the big question everyone asks, will removing a failed vinyl wrap damage my car's paint? The answer is complicated. The good news first. Yes, you can remove vinyl wrap and it won't damage your original paint if it's done right. When wraps are removed within their intended lifespan by professionals, paint damage is rare. The not so good news. Car wraps can damage paint if the vehicle has rust spots or aged surfaces. If your paint was already compromised before wrapping, removal can make it much worse. The really bad news. When vinyl is left on too long, removal becomes a nightmare. If vinyl adhesives exceed recommended usage durations, removal becomes arduous, time-consuming, and risks damaging the paint finish. The adhesive residue reality. Even successful removals usually leave some residue. Once we have successfully peeled off the vinyl wrap from your car, there may be some adhesive residue left behind. This is totally normal, but it requires proper cleaning techniques. So what can go wrong? Paint lifting, especially on repainted or damaged areas. Clear coat failure. Older cars with weak clear coat are most at risk. Adhesive staining. Dark adhesive can permanently stain light paint. Surface marring. Improper removal techniques can scratch the paint. The professional versus DIY factor. It's always better to have a professional installer remove any vinyl on your vehicle. It takes finesse, skill, and improper tools to ensure a successful job. DIY removal gone wrong can turn a $500 professional removal into a $5,000 paint correction and respray job. The cost of failure. Let's talk about money. What does vinyl wrap failure actually cost you? Well, the immediate costs are professional removal of failed wrap, $500 to $1,500. Adhesive residue cleanup, $200 to $800. Paint correction if needed, $1,000 to $3,000. And a full respray in the worst cases, $3,000 to $8,000. Hidden costs. Cracking and peeling vinyl can cause increased removal fees as it becomes more difficult to cleanly remove the vinyl and adhesive from the vehicle. A wrap that was supposed to cost $800 to remove can easily become $2,000 or more if it's been left on too long. The opportunity cost. While your car is getting paint corrected or repainted, you're either without transportation or paying for a rental. Factor in 1 to 2 weeks of downtime for major paint work. Resale value impact. A car with obvious wrap damage or poor paint condition from a failed vinyl can lose $2,000 to $5,000 in resale value. The temporary modification can become permanently expensive. The truth about protection. Here's something the wrap industry loves to promote. Vinyl wraps protect your paint. But is this actually true? The protection promise. Wraps do provide some protection from minor scratches and rock chips, UV fading of the original paint, bird droppings, and tree sap if cleaned properly, and the road salt and chemicals that you'll pick up along the way. The protection reality is that this protection does come with risks. Moisture trapping when humidity is high, heat buildup. Dark wraps actually make the paint hotter than it would be naturally, and chemical reactions. Some adhesives can interact with certain types of paint over time. The time limit. Factory applied paint in good condition is usually safe for wrapping, but the protection benefit decreases over time as the vinyl deteriorates. A 2-year-old wrap is probably still protecting your paint. A 7-year-old wrap might be actively damaging it. The bottom line is that vinyl wraps can protect paint, but only if they're high quality, professionally installed, and removed before they fail. The Smart Buyer's Guide. If you're still considering a vinyl wrap, here's how to do it smartly. Choose your battles. Best case, garage kept weekend car in mild climate, you'll get 5 to 7 years. Worst case, it's a daily driver in Arizona or Florida and you might only get 2 to 3 years. In the average case, it's going to be your normal daily driver and it might last 3 to 5 years. And of course, it comes down to brass taxes. How do you budget for the truth? Well, first, you want to plan for 3 to 4 year replacement cycles. You want to budget $1,000 to $2,000 for professional removal. You want to consider partial wraps or accent pieces instead of full wraps, and you're going to factor in maintenance costs. Here are some warning signs to act fast if you see some problems. Any edge lifting or peeling is a big warning sign. Color fading of more than 20%, loss of gloss or surface texture changes, bubbling or blistering. Do not wait until catastrophic failure to address these problems. The reality check. Here's the truth about vinyl car wraps. They're not permanent, they're not maintenance-free, and they definitely don't last as long as the marketing suggests. But that doesn't mean they're a bad investment if you go in with realistic expectations. A well-chosen and properly maintained vinyl wrap can last between 5 and 7 years, making it a cost-effective alternative to traditional paint jobs. The key words there are well-chosen, properly maintained, and realistic expectations. If you want your car to look amazing for 2 to 4 years, and you're prepared to either remove or replace the wrap before it fails, vinyl wrapping can be fantastic. If you're expecting a set-it-and-forget-it solution that lasts a decade, you're setting yourself up for some disappointment and potentially expensive paint damage. The vinyl wrap industry has some growing up to do in terms of honest marketing, but armed with realistic expectations and proper maintenance, you can enjoy the benefits while avoiding the pitfalls. Just remember, it's not about how long the wrap can last, it's about how long it will last on your car, in your environment, and with your maintenance routine.